Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool mission right here, and basically what this is a toilet night light. So you basically put this inside like your toilet bowl and it actually lights up the whole entire toilet bowl itself, which is pretty awesome. If you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. And they also mention how the product is motion sensor and it has a light detection on here as well. So you can see right here on the other side, they mention all of that on here. And they also mention how there's 16 different colors on here when you guys use it. So you definitely change the color on here, which is pretty cool. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what is actually included inside first. So when you guys first open the product, you guys can see that this is basically what's included inside. So inside the package, they also provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. So for this product, they mentioned that actually requires 3 AA batteries. So you definitely want to make sure you guys have that before you guys use the product. But let's take a look at the product first. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So here's what it looks like in the front, and here's what it looks like in the back. So basically this part right here is flexible, so you basically want to put this inside your toilet bowl and bend it inside to actually hold it inside. And I'm assuming this part right here is the light, and then right here is like the motion sensor part. And the bottom part here is where you're going to open it up, and that is where you're going to put in the battery inside right there. So it requires 3 AA batteries to actually power it on. And if you guys look really carefully right here, they do have a button. So I'm assuming you guys can press that button to activate it. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just put in the batteries inside and then we'll put this on the toilet bowl to show you guys how to use it. Alright, so let's plug in the battery to show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so you see that once we plug in the battery, the product definitely does work. But let's bring this over to the restroom and actually set it up to show you guys what it actually looks like. So if it's your first time using the product, you basically just want to press it one time to activate it. Alright. So it turns on right there. And basically for this product, it has a sensor so that way actually will not turn on during like the daytime when you guys actually use it. And basically when it's in the darker setting, it actually will turn on by itself. But because we turn it on manually, it actually will stay on and it will turn off later on by itself. So it also has like the motion sensor on here as well. So once it detects motion, it will actually turn on by itself as well. And for this product, I actually give you guys the option to increase or lower the brightness on here. Let me turn off the light so you can see what I mean. Alright, so this is basically what it actually looks like. So we press and hold it. You guys can see how the brightness increase. If you guys let go and press again, you guys can see how the brightness decrease. And if you guys want to turn off the product, you basically want to do the same thing, but you guys want to hold it for 7 seconds until you guys see a red light pops on. Alright, so it turned off by itself. So that's basically how you guys use the product. Let me just set this up in the toilet bowl to show you guys what it actually looks like and how to set it up. Alright, so you basically want to put this on the side right here and you want to fold the inside part right here. Alright, so something like that should be fine. So let's turn off the light to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you see that this is basically what the product looks like once you guys install it. If you guys want to change the color on here, you basically want to press the button one time. Alright, so you see that definitely does work. If you guys want to increase the brightness, just do what I told you guys earlier. Alright, so that lowers the brightness. If you guys press again, that increases the brightness. So right now we have the light on, so it will not turn on. But once we turn off the light, you can see it stays off. But once we actually walk close to it, it sends a motion, so it actually turns on. But basically when we turn on the light, you can see that turns off. So both the motion sensor and the light sensor definitely does work when you guys use this option, which is pretty cool. So now that you guys saw a quick test of the product, definitely see that it does work and it's quite well. Super easy to use. Once you guys put the battery inside and set it all up, you can definitely see that it does work and it works quite well. I definitely love the option how it has like the motion sensor option. So once it actually detects like motion or whatever, it actually turns on by itself. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these, especially if you guys want to add like a night light in your restroom. So that way it's actually easier for you guys to use the restroom at nighttime, so that way you guys have to turn on the light. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.